Hi! In this episode I'm going to go through shuffle to the right, left, forward and back. Also a step lock step and chassé. So okay, a normal shuffle, if you start to the right, your weight is on your left, you do side together side. All the way around to the left, side together side. The counting is in shuffle 1 and 2. We're going 3 and 4. So it's side together side. Yeah. Forward and back is the same. But step together, step. Doing backwards, back together, back. This angle as well. You do forward together, forward. Going backwards, back together, back. Normal shuffle forward and back goes in the third foot position. So yeah, just as you know. So just to recap, shuffles in all directions. Shuffle to the right, shuffle to the left, shuffle forward, and shuffle back. You also sort of have a special type. It's called cross shuffle. That means that one leg is crossing the other. So that if you do a cross shuffle to your left, weight is on the left, you do cross and cross. If I do to my right, it's cross and cross. From this angle as well, so it's cross and to my right, cross and cross. The counting is still 1 and 2, or 3 and 4, so. Okay, if you have a step lock step, it's only forward or backwards. It's not to the side, just forward and back. So, I'm doing this angle just so you can see me better. You step forward, so it's forward, together, forward. Yeah, if you're going back, back, together, back. So step lock step happens in the 5th foot position. 5th, the middle step. So it's step, lock, step. It's actually a step from, we sort of stole it from cha-cha. And the point is, with a step lock step, to get some hip action. So if you do in cha-cha, it's step, lock, step. So you try to use the hips as well. Going backwards, back, lock, back. So you try to use your hips. So it's sort of a push action on the step, lock, push. Yeah. So it's but in normal liners, a lot of people uses step locks instead of shuffles because they think it's a cool step, I guess. But there you perhaps you don't want that much hips, so then you just do step, lock, step. Without so much hips. But if it's a cha-cha Latin song, it's more natural to use your hips. So yeah, step lock step. Okay, chassé. Chassé is also a step that we have stolen from cha-cha, and chassés are to the left or to your right, not forward and back, but just left and right. So, if you do a cha-cha, it's very similar to the shuffle, but it's a 1 and 2. To the left, 1 and 2. So the thing is with a chassé, the first thing that touches the floor is your inside of your foot. So it's and then you roll over the foot. So it's try to get the hip action as well as you want in cha-cha. People are using chassés in liners in other dances as in other dances than the cha-cha and the Latin dances as well. And then I feel you do it more like a shuffle. But if you do it in cha-cha, you should try to roll over your feet. So you can try to get this hip action. Yeah. That's chassé to your right or to your left. Good luck. Okay, just to sum up the difference between shuffles and step lock step and chassé. So you shuffle, you can do in all the directions, and also there's cross shuffle. So it's a shuffle left, shuffle right, shuffle forward, shuffle back. You also have a cross shuffle, cross shuffle. The other way, huh? Cross shuffle. Step lock step, you just have a forward and back. I do this angle, step, lock, step, go backward, back, lock, back, and yeah, continue with the steps you're doing. Chassé is also just to the side. So step by step forward, chassé to the side, step, chassé right, chassé to the left. And then you want a little hip action. So if it's not to a cha-cha dance, Latin dance, you can do a normal shuffle. Also, shuffles forward and back are in the third foot position. Step lock step is in the fifth